Ndeipi ndini mufesi uya waona pafuel station ndichitenga parafini. Motikari yangu inoshanda neparafini.
Sorry, you're saying?
Ndiri kuti ndini kamufesi uya waona paya ndikatora nhamba dzako pa unga uchita zveiko cash.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Sorry, aunzi Shona?
No, I don't understand, Shona.
Okay.
You're saying what?
Me, the guy you saw at the filling station.
What?
Me, the guy you saw at filling station. So me got the number when EcoCash. When you EcoCash.
Oh, okay. What are you saying?
I'm saying I saw number yours on EcoCash. And
oh, you are the guy that I met at the service station.
Yes, me.
Okay. So what's your name?
I'm Ernest.
Ernest.
Vincent Ernest.
Ernest, where do you come from, Ernest?
Me. I saw you at that, and me want to marry. I love you.
What are you saying?
Me saying saw you, and I want to marry. So I love you. So I want answer. Confirm. I'm serious. Me want to marry you.